Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to watch the aloe vera. So I'll tell some tips to take care of it. So let's get started. This is my aloe vera plant. I have kept it in a pot. It likes shady area the most, so it can keep itself green. Look here, if you put it whole day in the sunlight, it will turn yellow. So you have to put it in shady area. You can put it some sunlight. So look here, it is heat from here. It takes out its kids out. Its kids out from here or from here anywhere. So it's not coming right now because I kept it in the sunlight area, I mean in the land. So now from about a week I have put it in the pot. So after a month it will take its kids out from here. So I'll show you in the next video. Never put it in the direct sunlight or it will turn brown. You will say that what happening to my aloe vera. So that's why I kept it here. So if you wanna put it water, it absorbs water very quickly. So put a plate over here. I have put it a plate. I put water here. It absorbs water slowly inside. There is a hole in the pot inside in its bottom. So always choose a pot which has a hole in its bottom. That is the good pot. So this is my video, and don't forget to give it water. Not on daily basis, when its soil almost dried out, because its inner side soil is still wet, so that's why we have to give it sometimes water or sometimes not. When its soil gets fully dry, then you have to give water. Now look here, it's not fully dried, so I will give water later after some days, because yesterday I gave it water. It's now summertime, so you have to give it water 3 or 2 times a day. So don't forget to give it like this. Do it twice a week, so it will grow fast like this. You don't need to give it fertilizer. It don't need any kind of fertilizer. It's very good for your skin. It's really awesome plant. Take care of it. It's helpful for your hairs, for your skin. It removes acne. It's really very good plant. So this is it. You can put water from here too, but I will suggest that give water here, because it will slowly give and absorb water from the downside. Okay guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So if you wanna another topic of your type, so drop a comment below, so I'll know that which type of video you need. Okay, take care.